Okay, let me be blunt. Most people drink their morning coffee at the worst possible time for fat burning without even realizing it. Not because of cream, not because of sweeteners, but because the timing of your caffeine decides whether your body burns fat or locks it away for the rest of the day. And almost everyone gets this timing wrong, even people who fast every morning. Before your next sip touches your lips, let me show you what your hormones are doing right now, because it's not what you think. Your body doesn't treat caffeine like a warm morning ritual. It treats it like an alarm, and that alarm instantly changes 3 hormones that control fat burning. Cortisol, which wakes you up but locks your fat cells if it spikes too high. Adrenaline, which tries to open fat cells to release energy. And insulin, which shuts fat burning off instantly, even with tiny rises. Depending on when caffeine hits your bloodstream, these hormones either open the door to fat burning or slam it shut. So let's look at the 3 coffee windows. Window 1 is the wrong window, which is the first hour after waking. This is where almost everyone drinks coffee. Your natural cortisol is already high in this hour. Add caffeine and cortisol shoots even higher. Inside your body, that spike says, hold on to fat, do not release fuel. Even if you're fasting, your fat cells stay sealed. You feel alert now, but this spike is the real cause of the afternoon crash that hits later. Fat stays locked, energy dips, cravings rise. This window looks productive, but it's the worst for fat burning. Window 2 is the feels good but not ideal window. From 1 to 2 hours after waking. Cortisol is calming down. Adrenaline picks up. You feel sharper, focused, and ready. Coffee feels perfect here, but hormonally, you're only halfway there. Your fat cells open a little, enough to give you clean energy, but not enough for real fat burning. This window feels great, but it's just the warm-up. Finally, window 3, the true fat-burning window, from 2 to 4 hours after waking. This is the window almost everyone misses, and the one where coffee finally works with your fast, not against it. Here's what your hormones look like now. Cortisol is steady, adrenaline is stable, and insulin is low and quiet. This is the first moment of the day when your fat cells are fully unlocked. Add caffeine now, and something special happens. Your body suddenly needs more energy, and for the first time all morning, it can pull that energy from stored fat. No resistance, no mixed signals, no crash, just clean fat burning. So how do you hit this window tomorrow? For the first hour after waking, don't drink coffee. Hydrate, move gently, and let cortisol rise naturally. In the second hour, stay fasted, do some light movement, and only have water or electrolytes. This is where cortisol settles, and your body opens the door to fat burning. Then, from hours 2 to 4, this is your fat burning coffee window. Caffeine increases your energy demand, and your body can finally match it using stored fat. Now, what can shift the timing? Your window may shift slightly if you slept poorly. In that case, wait an extra hour. If you work out right after waking, the window comes sooner. If you wake up stressed, add 20 to 30 minutes. And if you eat early, insulin rises and the window closes. Nothing is ruined, you just adjust. If this finally made fasting click, your mornings are about to get a lot smoother. And if you want to make your fat burning days even easier, watch the next video. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching.